Today's Mother's Day 2018. My daughter and them's down here. I thought we'd harvest a few onions for them to take back home with them. So come on along, we'll see if we can't dig a few onions up for them to carry home. Here's a nice one. Go around there, Jalen, on the other side. Don't pull on it until I tell you that. I don't know how big it. Wait. Get down here. Right there. Oh, easy. Wait till let me pull it up. All right. Yeah, that'll make one. Hold on. Even if the onions ain't big, they'll still make good onions. Boy, they got big old tops on them, don't they? This top things is starting to see, yeah. Blow them out. It won't grow no more. Might as well get them up. That's probably enough. Well, that's a pretty good harvest. Not too bad. What do you think, Kylie? Did you get enough onions?
Yep.
Appreciate you guys watching the video. Be sure and give us a big thumbs up if you will. Subscribe to the channel.
And until we meet again, have a good day.